Sure. You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Hello, it is Saturday. I'm preparing to do the Saturday bento. So this is the last one for the week. Sunday, there's the break there, but I still do a little bit of prep on Sunday. So yeah, so today, Mr. Business actually really liked the rice that I did. So I'm gonna do that again. So with just putting the egg yolk with the rice, then separating the white, and then, frying everything and then adding the white at the end. So I'm just gonna do that with carrots instead of all the other veggies I used. He really liked the shrimp that I did, so I'm gonna do that again. And he actually asked for like a few more. I gave him 3. And with that, I did like a quick little marinade. I did teriyaki with minced garlic, a little bit of Korean crushed red pepper, and then let that sit for like a hot second. And then let's see, the other thing that I do is like pretty much like a spicy cucumber. I've seen it in one of my actual bento books that I have over there. So I do it with onion. I actually got that idea from another food blogger that I follow. And so pretty much what goes into that is there is some soy sauce, there's salt right there. There's some more Korean red pepper. There is some sesame oil. Love this stuff. You can put in some black sesame seeds. You don't have to, but the other version that I watched, I really enjoyed that in there. Vinegar, kind of make it pickly. And then a little bit of sugar. And then obviously we have like Bonito flakes that are great. I debated using the Bonito powder that I got, but I don't know, I kind of like having the flakes in there. So I'm going to stick with that. And then let's see, we have tomatoes as usual, because that's something that Mr. Bento likes, not Mr. Bento, Mr. Business likes. And then also fruit that I prepared earlier. So we're going to use that. So that is the plan for the bento for Saturday.